Hey guys, welcome to Straka channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss one of the important topic and one more guys, you can listen the complete video, you can understand in the complete scenario. So guys, who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe our channel will be and ask your questions on the my channel comment box. Still anyone I'm missing your comment reply, you can reply the once again comment and definitely will be give the reply and the solution also. Now we are creating for how we will be creating for shopping ads without using merchant account. If you go to the Google AdWords campaign, selecting the new campaign option, we have the multiple options are there. That mean by merchant account is required. A lot of people say by the need by merchant account. Without merchant account, suppose you can go for shopping, compulsory need by merchant account required. So without merchant account, the sale will be happen easily by using search, by using display also. So most of the people using for search option that is called shop visit option will be here. Since selecting the shop visit here, first the purpose of sales, the select campaign name is search that is called shop visit. Select any kind of shop, we can go into the next option or website visit. We can go with the website also. Shop visit and website visit. We have selecting the multiple options are here. After that, click for continue option. So if you want sales will be required, we can select the campaign name is called search campaign also will be useful. The campaign finish totally complete 4 steps option. So here I am selecting for option search with display, select your country and location and language. So here I'm not focusing more option. So that is the only option will be here. The option is your particular options and audience selection. Audience selection will be depend on your options. What are the advertising, browse, search, depend on you select the audience option. That is your depend on your campaign. Now I'm not selecting any particular audience. I can target each and every audience. Next will be my budget will be per day 1500. So search campaign is completely dependent by the 3 matches: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. This all will be particular keywords option. So if you want selecting for sale the particular goal, the display also will be suitable for particular options. So any website will be open, which website approved by the Google AdSense. They show website will be in a particular sale things. So that is this type of ad will be shown to the customer. Donate now, sale, shop now, multiple option we can show to the customers. That all option will be called where the option name is called sale purpose. So here cool life offer. Beat the summer heat, the some cool offer coming your way. Chroma. So this all will be sale purpose, will be display. Now I'm creating only for search ad where when a people will be searching for Google, they will be showing for something into the like this. We have to promote will be in this particular website. That all will be Google search ad. Next one, select budget. The budget will be that is I'm looking for conversion or clicks or impression share. I'm looking for conversion. Most of the recommended conversion, not for the clicks. Clicks nothing but they come into your website and they go back your website. But I'm looking for conversion. After this one, what are the extension required? Suppose if I'm searching this option, so there are extension will be there. So what are the extension will be there? You can selecting for extension option also. The option will be shown to the customers will be creating for in a particular option. So that all will be extension. Call extension, app extension, lead form extension, promote extension, price extension, everything we can show to the customers. So we'll compose Samsung mobile, you can search, see kind of ads that all will be showing along with the price also. That all will be showing for price. Click for save and continue. So after this one, we have to promoting any options are here. That all will be next one ad group option. In the ad group, so I had promoting my option will be here. That will be website design, digital marketing. The all keywords will be shown to the based on the website keywords. So conversion will be 3, clicks will be 248 per day, cost will be 1500 per day. So if you're spending for 1500 rupees, you get the conversion will be only 3. Clicks will be 248. So you will be looking for conversion. Clicks is different. Clicks nothing but people will be click your website and go back. They interested, they will be convert. But here, in the 15 rupees per day, we are converting to the 3 leads. Any one lead will be confirmed, you get the business. Finally, save continue. Create your structure of text ad in your particular progress option. So this option I'm creating here, that will be your particular things. So what are the options we have? We can select in for in this. So these all options are here. Finally, click for done. We can create n number of group. So minimum ads will be 3 is a better to show your particular people to create the ad. The simple step. No need to worry. The particular option will be here. So we can click here. Just digital marketing, website design, and so what are the done. So here the 2 ads will be create. Last one, save and continue. You say about the create one more ad. Is saying for incomplete. Create one more ad also option will be given here. Fix it. Create here option will be there. You can check the fix the error. So in this, what is error will be occur, you can fix it. So final confirmation one, click for save and continue. And finally, the conversion rate will be 3 and cost will be 15 a daily estimation. The target will be India. The continue date will be start date to we don't fix any end date. The reason is called anytime I can run the ad purpose. The purpose of sales. The sales will be convert up to 3. Next will be maximize conversion. That mean by will be convert your particular sales on your particular website. So finally click for publish. So without Google Merchant account, we can increase sales option by using search and display ad. Search will be showing for Google and display showing will be which website approved by Google AdSense, that website and YouTube channel, they show the customer on your display ads. So clear guys, anyone ask interview question, can you create shopping sale ad without merchant account? It is possible we can sell on a particular merchant account. After creating an account, there are 3 matches in your search. The matches will be created by the in a particular option name is the campaign option. So this is a we can use on a particular option will be here. Now in this one, what are the tools we have? Everything will be coming to this part of the option. So this all will be a particular things. What are the ad group? Each ad group your keywords are search terms. Everything will be given by the in your particular options. So that all will be your particular ads will be shown to the customers. So what are the keyword will be shown to the customer? The keyword will be selecting for each your particular match. The match will be broad match, phrase match, and exact match. When exact keyword people will be search, we can show your ad on the particular customers. So these are the benefits will be give option name is called sales. The campaign name is called search campaign option. So these are the option will be utilized. What are the keywords are here? Every keyword use them and promote them. What are the clicks, impression, and cost per click, value and cost, final cost. You can download by report by Excel sheet also. So these are the parameter we can follow and increase the sales on your particular website. If any further doubts, you can ask me the Distracker channel. I definitely will be support to how we can handle the option. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.